If you're awkward and don't know what to talk about, then what you talk about is how you're awkward and don't know what to talk about. You wear it and use it constantly. People would want to buy it.
I'm struggling to find Instagram content.
My guy. So Carmichael, one of the greatest Teemo players in the world. He is coaching me on getting better at Teemo, and I'm slowly doing it. We're getting there.
You just won 10 games in a row.
Yeah, we're doing it, but I still got a ways to go. My goal is gold. I'm silver 3. We're working our way up, but I'm also helping Kyle get better on the business side. Now, dude, I gave you some assignments the last time we talked, and I haven't seen anything.
Yeah, you did.
You were supposed to send me the clip of you talking. You're telling your story.
Mm-hmm.
The contract for the YouTube deal that you signed. At least those 2 things. Maybe there's something else. I don't know.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't do you did your homework. I'm slacking. I actually have the clip. I just have to dig it up. It was one of those lazy things. And the contract, same thing. Okay, so expect those literally as soon as we're done with this speed set.
I like it. All right, good. It's happening.
So business side of things. So first off, my phone is this might die in like 5 minutes for all I know. Like I said, I have the iPad here, all charged up, ready to go because it has the sound and everything, and it had that error. So if I just leave randomly, it's because my phone died. Okay, well we got 7 minutes left, so let's go. What do we got? I'm running into issues on YouTube. So the YouTube is going great. I'm at like 15,000 subs and growing.
Nice, dude. Nice.
Everyday content. It's amazing, right?
Check it out.
And on my stream, I run classical music. That's my thing.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm running into, like, I can't find a lick of copyrighted free classical music. Not a lick. There's like, I feel like it doesn't exist. How can classical music not exist? Is Mozart making millions or what? So I need your help from the business.
Right.
How, where do I go? Can I get anything of this? Yeah,
we use audio blocks.
Is that like a website or program?
It's a website. I don't know I forget what we pay for it. Are you starting to make money from the videos a little bit?
Yeah. I can afford to buy a license or whatever.
It's like $100 a month or something. Or less. Unlimited all access is $39 a month.
That's bad.
Limited access is $15 a month. So like super, super cheap.
I'm going to plug this charger in 1 second. I'm just going to move for a moment.
So go look up. Manco's volume's a little low. Yeah, he's working it. We're dealing with last minute changes, but it's happening.
I have the iPad to fix everything, but
people saying audiojungle.net in the chat too. I haven't used Audio Jungle, but you can. Why I love audio blocks is it's unlimited for all the songs. So you're not doing it on a song by song basis.
Yeah.
Sometimes what will happen is it'll still get claimed. It won't get blocked. Your stuff isn't getting blocked. You're just getting claimed, right? Or you're getting blocked. Yeah, okay. But if you played like Lady Gaga or some other stuff, it'll get full on blocked.
Yeah. I'm not I know that. Like I said,
okay.
Finding the
so you still may get some claims happening on it, but then you fight the claim and you just say, we purchased this song through audio blocks, and then it gets removed.
Okay. That's fair. It's easy. Audio blocks, audiojungle.net. Awesome. I will definitely check it out.
I've heard of Audio Jungle. We don't use it ourselves, so I can't tell you one way or the other, but you can check it out.
Okay. And that has classical on it?
It's got everything.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Awesome.
Classical would be easier than other, like some pop song you're not going to find on there, but poppy music you will.
Okay.
But classical, you'll be able to find stuff.
Awesome. Okay, that's question number 1. Sweet. Question number 2, during this quarantine, so I'm not going too crazy because I love playing video games. Who doesn't, right? But what are you doing to stay like, for example, like staying fit? Like what are you doing for your health? What are you doing for Instagram? Like, I mean, your content, it's, are you still doing the stories, like going for walks, whatnot? I feel like I'm struggling to find Instagram content because I feel like I can't really leave my house, So what are you doing in that aspect?
Well, you can watch it.
What?
You can watch my stories and see what I'm doing. That's a good start. But I mean, everything I'm making is at home. I haven't made an outdoor video on my Instagram in a long, long time. I would post about what you're going through, like post that you find it difficult to make. What you just said is 30 seconds of Instagram content. I'm struggling to find content because I feel like I have to go outside to make content. And I haven't posted in the past week or 2 weeks because I feel like I got nothing to say. But it bothers me that I'm not posting. So I'm gonna try to bring you guys in on my life and show you what I'm up to.
Okay.
So if you watch mine this morning, you'll see my story saying that Thursday is my public facing day. I'm doing interviews and podcasts and hangouts all day long.
Yeah, you make it look easy. You make it look natural. You make it look like it's like, oh, this is just me, just chilling, doing nothing, but I'm still entertaining.
But it's the same thing of like when you go up and lane against a Nautilus, you know his Q hook range and you avoid it, right? Like I'm getting hooked, getting hooked for days because I don't know the range. And every time I play, I feel like the range gets longer for some reason. Like it's just putting in the reps to know the matchup, right? But this morning I woke up super early for some reason. I got really tired and I was then telling a story about how I love having my schedule, because if I didn't have my schedule, if I didn't know I was talking to you and talking to all these other people later on today, it'd be easy to slack off on today. So I like having a schedule that forces me to show up. And then I put a song on. So music is the fastest way to change your state. And I put a song on and I start moving to it. Like I'm getting more excited for the day because right. But I'm showing people that what I'm doing, not just you doing it and you're not bringing people in. So what are you doing during quarantine? What does your routine look like? If you're frustrated or upset that you're not doing a good job, then you bring people in on that schedule. Like, hey, a year ago I wanted to be super fit, and then I just fell off the bandwagon, and I haven't been doing my workout. I'm super pissed at myself, and I want to start trying again. And I said I was going to try again last month, and I didn't stay consistent on it. But now I'm going to try again, right? Like you bring people in on a journey. When I told you that story about the Timo guy on your stream who had 12 million points, right? Yeah. Said, hey, did you know this guy? And what did you say? Like, yeah, that guy, I heard that story. His girlfriend died, and so he plays Timo top lane and always builds Lianji's Torment because he's crying, and Guardian Angel because he wants to bring her back. Like, that's the story that I wish people said about you.
Well, we're getting there. We're getting there. There's some talks. You have really good memory. What the heck?
Well, only on some things. Mark Jacob would say I have terrible memory. But I shared that. Like I was pumped that you had seen it already. And here's this guy who's got 12 million points on Timo, which is bonkers. But that you knew the story, and then you could, I don't know when you saw that on Reddit, but you recalled it while you're doing other things in your stream. That's how quickly I want people to be able to share, oh, Mankel, he's the guy who's doing this. So showing people the journey, even before coming on, like, oh, I got this live thing with Evan and I got my iPad all prepared. Oh, the iPad's not working? What? I'm pissed. I missed 15 minutes of my session because my iPad, like all of this is stuff that people go through, but then seeing how you react to it or talking about the YouTube thing, like inside your day and how you react to it and how you carry on is then taking people on the Kyle Mankel journey.
Okay, so just kind of like almost like document like once a day. That's feasible.
Multiple times a day.
Multiple times a day. Holy smokes! I'll work towards that.
Well, it's a 15-second story.
I just I don't want to feel like I'm not as natural, so I don't want to feel like I'm putting on like a fake, a facade, a front.
Yeah, but don't. But your natural awkwardness is what you then lean into. Don't say, hey guys, I'm so excited it's Thursday. Hope you're having a great one. Shut it down and then you're back to like, I hate my life, right? I can't go outside. Like, don't do that. If you're awkward and don't know what to talk about, then what you talk about is how you're awkward and don't know what to talk about, right? People are saying you're so natural right now. It's cool. Exactly. Just be that.
All right. We'll take it. All right.
But it won't be like, you can't judge it against what I'm doing on my story or somebody else who has a lot more reps. It's like me looking. I say a lot of times in my games. Last night, my support was like flaming and just AFKing and just having massive issues. And in my head, I'm saying Manko could carry this game. Manko could carry this game, right? And it's like, it's possible, right? I need to get better. But I'm not saying I suck because Manko is doing all this stuff in Grandmaster Challenger and I'm hard stuck at, Silver 3. I don't have the skill set. Not yet. You've put in more work, more effort than I have.
That's a really healthy mindset. I like that.
Yeah. So on this one, I've put in way more reps than you have. Awesome. It's something to aspire to, but not be fake and try to be that guy. Like if I see you do some flash play and then I try to flash play and then I turret dive and die, like why didn't it work? Well, because I didn't understand all the variables.
Fair enough. Okay. Thank you. That's a really healthy mindset. It's eye-opening.
All right.
One more bullet question because I know we're running low on time.
Yeah. Somebody's saying, what's this guy's handle? I can't see. What's your handle? Manco?
Manco1LOL.
Manco1LOL.
Now,
stay tuned for some great stories coming soon.
Hey, there it is.
Okay. Last one. What do you got?
How should I go about merchandising? I feel like the stream and the YouTube is at a point where, I think enough people are interested. Do you, so I can go through Stream Elements. They have great deals and stuff. They can get you set up. Streamlabs. What would you do? Give me some advice.
You need to start wearing it yourself. Like
Well,
you're almost,
yeah.
like you got to do, whether it's like we made the tank, whether it's the tank or it's something else, and I can help too. We can chat offline about that. But like if it's a tank, then you need to start wearing the tank. I mean, you totally stopped wearing tanks for a while. Now you're back to wearing tanks, but not your branded tank. So you got to make it a thing.
I think I'm going to rule that out and go with sweatshirt because I want to get away from the muscle moves. I've been trying to brainstorm other ideas.
Great.
So I want to start with the sweatshirt and get into that and brainstorm other ideas and get away.
It's got to be something that you would wear yourself, right?
Yeah,
like what's comfortable? How do you and that I'm wearing my stuff, right?
Yeah,
like
no,
you
it
show up
looks
on somebody's stream, you got to wear. Yeah, I mean, dude, I got it on a superhero mannequin back there, man.
I seen that on the stream the other day. It's
right.
Awesome. I'm jealous. That's why I'm thinking about it.
Well, that's great, but now it's the same thing. Like when I watch you on stream and I want to like, why do you buy a Nike shoe that like is a LeBron shoe? Because when you get on the basketball court, you feel like LeBron. I want to put on my Manco hoodie or like hat or whatever necklace. And like, it's game time, man. Let's go. I'm freaking Kyle Manco here in this bot lane, right? Like, you don't feel that, but other people will feel that. And so you need to start, whatever it is, you identify what the thing is, a hat, a hoodie, the chair, or anything, a pen, a little figurine, and then you wear it and use it constantly, right? Like if you had a little figurine that you custom made, and anytime you got a kill, you like held it up to the camera and shook it, right? Just like people would want to buy it.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, appreciate you, man.
Thanks for
Let's go. Don't tell me to take it easy.
Thank you for your time, sir.
If you want to see the last one-on-one I did with Kyle Manco, check the video right there next to me. I think you'll enjoy it. Continue to believe, and I'll see you there.